Okay, good morning. So this is a very unusual setup. It's a very sad story for my GoPro Hero 8 after the release of the GoPro Hero 9. But first, let me take a bath. So last night was the release of the new GoPro Hero 9. I feel sad about the GoPro Hero 8. I don't know what to do with the GoPro Hero 8 because first, the GoPro Hero 9 has a replaceable lens. That's the saddest part of the new Hero 9. I really don't care about the new features. What I care about is the replaceable lens, because Hero 8 doesn't have that. If you broke the lens of the Hero 8, it's good for nothing. You will buy another set of action camera for GoPro. Whew. So last night was, I don't know. I don't care about the 5K resolutions, the hyper smooth 3.0, horizon leveling gimbal, somewhat like that. All I care about is the replaceable lens. It's a very important for me. It's a very a good feature. What should be in the GoPro Hero 8. And the GoPro Hero 9 has also a new mod, the Max mod. The 360 Max mod, a lens that you can replace or you can attach it in your Hero 9. So the GoPro Hero 9 has also the front-facing LCD, which is the biggest new feature added in the GoPro Hero 9. But I don't really need the front-facing LCD because in the Hero 8, I am really sure that I am in frame, so I don't really need that front-facing LCD. That replaceable lens is all I need. Well, also the Hero 9 has a larger 2.27 inch touch screen. Well, yeah, a hyper smooth 3.0. Do I need that? Maybe in the future. Time warp 3.0 update. Maybe I need that sooner. 20 megapixels for your photos. Yeah, it's good. But I don't know. For me, it's the important thing is the replaceable lens. So the GoPro Hero 9 is also 30% bigger in its capacity than Hero 8's battery. But I really don't need that battery also. I really need that replaceable lens. Is it worth to upgrade? I don't think so. Because, I don't know. 4K is just enough. 5K, I don't need that. 5K it's overkill to my vlogging. The new features, not really. The front-facing LCD, not really. The battery, the new battery, not really. And also Hero 9 is slightly heavier than the Hero 8. It has also new accessories, but I really don't care of that. All I care is the replaceable lens of the Hero 9. So I wish the GoPro can also have maybe they can give us a 50% discount on their accessory, the super suit casing, rather than broken the lens of the Hero 8 and then boom, all of the sudden your Hero 8 is dead already. That's it. I just expressing my feelings about the Hero 9 because I bought this Hero 8 last year, and I wish GoPro will make an accessory affordable, very affordable. It's like 50% affordable.
Very good.
So yeah, that's all for this quick releasing feelings video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next videos. Say goodbye. Bye na.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye. Peace out.